Today we're just going to run you through the club lounge features in the Forte SR22. This table is unique in that it converts into a dinette at the rear of this caravan. If you push on this foot pedal here, it actually spins the table around so that you can position it for easy getting in and getting out. Bring that back around this way. Underneath the table there is a safety catch which moves the position of the table so you have extra space if you're eating, playing games, or turning it into a working office. To put this table down, you have to make sure that this safety catch is undone. Position the table so that it will go directly down onto the safety blocks. Once it is in place, it's going to latch it into place here. You're going to take your two provided cushions, making sure that they're firmly in place. Then you have a comfy bed for the night, and that's how you use the club lounge in the Forte SR22 to turn it into a bed.